So what is a patent? Patent is a set of exclusive right. First, I'll read out the definition and then I'll explain each point so that it's clear to all of us. So patent is a set of exclusive right granted by a sovereign or an intergovernmental organization to an inventor or an assignee for a limited period of time in exchange for disclosure of an invention. So let me take something to give you a better idea. So I had the nearest thing I have is this holder. So it is a holder for a tablet or a mobile phone. So let's consider this. Let us suppose that I have developed this holder and I want to patent it. What is the process? So first thing, according to definition, is it is a set of exclusive rights. That means if I have a patent on this, the rights are with me. The right to commercialize this invention is with me. And in patents, we say it is a negative right. What does the word negative right mean? Krisha says I am not visible. I think I am visible to everyone.
I think if you're using your phone to see this, then ma'am might not be visible. If it's on your laptop, then there are viewing options where you can see ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So, so it is a set of exclusive rights. Set of exclusive rights means that I'll gain some rights. In patent, it is called negative right. Why it is called negative right? It is a negative right because the right according to Act is right to exclude others from making, using, selling, offering for sale, or importing the invention. That means I have some right to stop others. In itself, from the Act, I do not have a specific right, but I have a right to stop others. That's why it's called a negative right and it is an exclusive right. Second, it is granted by a sovereign or intergovernmental organization. That means in India, patent office can give us those rights. Nobody else has the authority to give us those rights. To whom it is granted? It is granted to an inventor or an assignee of an inventor. So what does the word assignee mean? Inventor means someone who has invented an invention. Assignee means there could be a probability, like Priggya is working for Lawctopus. So if Priggya develops something for Lawctopus, Lawctopus would have the rights on it. So Lawctopus is the assignee and Priggya is the inventor. So these are two different things. Inventor will always remain the person who has invented. And assignee can change. Assignee can be a company, assignee can be a person, assignee can be an organization, assignee can be an educational institute, assignee can be anyone. But inventor, as of now till yet, can only be a person. Abhi AI को भी authority नहीं मिली inventor बनने की. So AI also not an inventor. Inventor has to be a natural person only. Okay. So next, these rights are for a limited period of time, which means that these rights are given for a limited period of time and that time cannot be extended. For example, Patent Act gives us a right to protect a patent for 20 years from the date of application. So when I have filed my application at the patent office, from that date, I'll have 20 years to exclude others from practicing my invention. And the last point is in exchange for disclosure of an invention. So as I told you, let us suppose I want a patent on this. What will I do? I'll not go to patent office and say, see, this is my product and I want a patent on this. Patent office will send me away. So what I have to do is basically draft a patent application. In that patent application, I'll mention that I want to file a patent on something which has these 3 arms, and one arm has this joint so that we can move around, so that our mobile phone or a tablet can fit in here stably. And the two arms on the lower portion has these grooves. The measurement of grooves is this, the measurement of arms is this, and things like that. We'll draft it in a specification. Those specification will give it to patent office, and the patent office will then examine the application, check the patentability criteria, and then give us the patent. So this is overall a simplified definition of what patent means. So to reiterate, it is a set of exclusive right granted by a sovereign or an intergovernmental organization to an inventor or an assignee for a limited period of time in exchange for a disclosure of an invention.